I'm a huge fan of smart lights. They're an easy and fun way to add color and remote control to your home. So when Govee offered to let me try its smart color changing light bulbs, I was up for it.
I spent about 3 weeks with Govee Smart Bulbs here in my home, and in this hands-on review I'll show you what they're like to set up and to use, what you can do with them, and how to automate them. I'll wrap things up by going over the pros and the cons, and then I'll let you know if I think I can recommend these smart light bulbs for you.
I got a 4-pack of smart light bulbs that use the standard North American light bulb base. The bulbs are plastic and lightweight. As far as installation goes, they just screw into any light fixture. I installed these into 2 lamps in my home office.
One of the great features about these lights from the Govee brand is that they don't require you to purchase an additional hub or bridge to connect to your home's Wi-Fi system. All of the smarts and all of the tech lives inside each light bulb. I think that's actually a huge benefit for people out there, and it puts these bulbs ahead of the competition, something like a Philips Hue, which does require you to purchase an additional bridge for most of its bulbs.
If you want to use the full range of features, you're going to want to use the Govee mobile app. You'll sign up for or sign into an account, and adding a bulb takes just a second or two since the app is going to find any new lights once they power on. From there, you can just tap each bulb to adjust its color, brightness, turn it on or off, or tap into the array of colorful visual lighting effects and patterns. Now, while these color scenes are really built more for light strips and light strings, they do work somewhat with a single bulb too. The app is where you can control other features as well. Want to wake up naturally, aided by a soft glow of light like a personal sunrise? Just set a timer and let your room gradually illuminate. The app makes it really easy to set daily schedules. I have my office lights turn on right before I get in and then turn off automatically shortly after I wrap for the day. It means very little wasted energy. I also really like color-changing light bulbs to help a room feel more festive or warmer or cooler. I use warm red, orange, or yellow light in the winter to add a firelight glow to a space. In summer, I find that lights that are blue, green, or purple can help a room seem cooler on a sweltering day. You can even set these lights to pulse to your music or a video game soundtrack, or just the sound of your voice. Turn bedside light off. Govee smart lights are also all compatible with all the major smart home systems, so you can use them with Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. I found the lights are quite bright in my home. They rate at about 800 lumens, which is about the equivalent of a 60-watt standard light bulb. Turned up to full brightness, they can fill a space quite well, and they dim down to almost nothing, ensuring you can also use them as a nightlight too. Govee doesn't seem to specify if these bulbs can be used outdoors too, but I tried them in some outdoor fixtures just to see. I'd say if the fixtures are sealed or covered from the weather, you should be able to use these anywhere you can use regular bulbs. As long as they're not too far from your router and can catch a Wi-Fi signal, they should still work just fine, as mine did. The only caveat being they might not function correctly in extreme weather or temperatures.
Overall, Govee smart bulbs here are a big hit for me. They deliver on what they promise and then some. Let's go over the pros and the cons to see if they might be right for you.
On the pro side, they're super easy to set up and the app is incredibly user-friendly. You get full remote control over your lights from your smartphone or absolutely easy scheduling so you can automate your lights too. The lights can brighten and dim to many levels that will suit you, and the color options are fantastic. When it comes to the downsides, I don't have a lot to complain about here. These work exactly as advertised. The only question I might have for the future is how long the bulbs will last before needing replacement.
Since I've only spent a few weeks with these, I won't be able to weigh in on that for a while yet, but maybe in a couple of years I can report back. For now, I have absolutely no hesitation about recommending Govee Smart Light Bulbs for you. The Govee Smart Light Bulbs run from about $15 to $30 a pop, depending on which version you might buy and how many you buy at once. If you want to check out some other amazing options that I've installed in my home from Govee, you can see those reviews right now.